About this item * portable sneeze guard. The Verwanio sneeze guard, also known by the name portable sneeze guard, plexiglass shield is designed to act as a physical barrier to stop the spread. Verwanio sneeze guard is used in clinics, retail stores, schools, banks, universities, grocery stores, reception desks, pharmacy, nail hair salons, or any other operation business. Protects customers and your employees from all directions. * Safe, shatterproof sturdy design. No opening sneeze guard is sold as a complete kit. It includes a solid acrylic panel without cutout or no hole for better protection. Our product designs in USA, and round corner designed to protect everyone. Our shields are top quality, ultra sturdy acrylic plexiglass, meaning you are set to use these for years to come. * 100% clear acrylic. Sneeze guards are made of 100% acrylics, materials that are thick, durable, non-bending, lightweight, and more impact resistant than glass while retaining similar optical clarity. The acrylic we use resists scratching better than polycarbonate. These guards can be easily sanitized using non-abrasive cleaners. This plexiglass shield sneeze guard helps protect everyone in this uncertain time. Custom sizes available, just message us. * Easy to assembly. Each Verwanio sneeze guard comes with 2 triangle stands. Simply insert